come on. So we have
Okay, we have a surprise
today from Cookie by Shar.
We've mentioned her in our videos.
That's what we got from her.
Let's see. This is like early Christmas, or my birthday's at the end of the month. So maybe this is part of my birthday present. Oh my god. We didn't have cookies for the last video that we did.
Okay. Ta-da. Okay, so what we got?
I think she put a little extra something in here.
Something.
Yeah. Can you pull it out?
Look at that.
Oh. What does that say?
Oh, this. See that? Ding. Okay, read this one then.
Oh wow, look at that. Look at that little cookie on it. Thank you.
Look at that. Read that.
It says, bitch, don't eat all of them at once. XOXO, Shar. She knows me, because when she brings me cookies at the restaurant,
Love you too.
I kind of eat them fast. She's got this beautiful ribbon. Oh my god! Okay, let's see here. Open. Okay, hold it back.
Alright. Okay, wait.
So she does these beautiful logo cookies, guys. So she did some for our seasoning, 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Do we have any? Have we shown anybody?
Yeah, in the restaurant.
And they're amazing. What a amazing job she does on those.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
What do you have there?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. And they're just packed so beautifully. It's literally like Christmas.
Yes, like that. And then we have another one here too. It's very.
Wow.
What do you have there?
I don't know. Gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's my brownie.
Guys, look at how beautiful this is packaged. See it? Oh my gosh.
Take a look at mine too.
Oh. Wow. So here's our double chocolate cookies here. We got 2 of those.
And then we have.
And she slipped us a few brownies in there too.
This is my brownies. Okay?
Yeah.
This is mine.
Yeah. Ruben said he wants some.
No, that's mine.
All right, so she did M&Ms on this one, and is that walnut or pecan?
Oh, that's pecan.
Yeah, I think that's pecan.
Oh no, that's walnut, babe.
Okay, walnut. And this is
Double chocolate.
Okay, and this one, guys, I'm not wearing my glasses because they get dark in front of the light, so I look like a big bug. Oh my god, this is so fun. And oh my gosh. So we are gonna have a cookie and brownie party tonight.
And we have this, and this one, what is
That
it?
is the oatmeal raisin.
No raisin.
Yeah.
And then here, you can see it. And that's another one, oatmeal raisin. So what are these?
Yes.
Raisin,
And one of them is for Ruben.
oatmeal raisin, and
Oatmeal raisin.
oatmeal raisin.
Yeah.
Take a
So
look at that.
2 of that is for Ruben, and these are for. This is all for us.
This is for me.
And then he wants.
This
he
is
wants,
for me.
Ruben wants.
No,
one of
this
those.
is for me.
Thank you, Shar. Giddy up.
You could sing that. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right then.
So guys, order her cookies. They are fabulous.
Yeah.
So good.
So now it's a cookies party.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
We'll talk to you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Oh, do you want
What?
to try the cookies in front of the
Well,
camera?
hello. Well, we
No,
had
so
some.
no,
we had
why? We need to eat this first.
some- We We had these the other day when we did the video.
Okay.
I don't think you posted that video yet.
Yeah. I have the chocolate one. No, I don't want to eat my brownies. Take a look at that. My brownies.
They're so thick, airy.
And this is double chocolate chip cookies. Okay.
Lots of raisins, oatmeal, one of my favorites.
And this I love chocolate, so let's try. So good.
Buy her cookies. So good.
It's very addictive. Like
Yeah.
you don't want to have one. Like what? One is not enough. Like
Enak sekali.
enak banget.
I can't do that one.
Okay. We're gonna finish these cookies.
We can't talk anymore. They're so good.
Bye bye guys.
Bye.